Experiencing voice command failures on your Xfinity remote? You're not alone. Approximately 15 to 20% of users encounter these issues. Most commonly, the problems stem from microphone malfunctions or pairing disruptions with your Xfinity box or the Xfinity app. These issues often arise from hardware glitches, software bugs, or simple user errors. Let's dive into some rapid solutions that resolve most common problems. First, confirm your remote is an XR series remote, XR11, XR15, XR16, or newer. These remotes depend on a stable connection. A Wi-Fi speed below 10 megabits can cause delays or failures. Start by power cycling your equipment. Unplug your Xfinity box and replace the remote batteries. Then, attempt to repair your remote. Follow the on-screen pairing instructions. If the problem persists, the next section offers more in-depth troubleshooting steps. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced fixes. First, ensure the Xfinity app version 7.0 or higher has all necessary permissions enabled on your device. Second, use the app's AI-powered diagnostic tool to scan for microphone and pairing issues remotely. Third, if using an older remote before XR15, consider upgrading to newer models like the XR16V1, which feature enhanced noise-canceling microphones for better reliability. Finally, to reset your remote, hold the Setup button and the number 2 simultaneously for 5 seconds, then follow the on-screen pairing guide. Looking ahead, Xfinity is integrating AI-driven enhancements for better noise reduction and contextual understanding, potentially reducing issues by 40% by 2027. Expect seamless multi-device pairing with Bluetooth 5.3 Plus for faster, interference-free connections. Future remotes will move towards rechargeable batteries, reducing wear-related failures. While voice spoofing might become a concern, Xfinity plans to adopt biometric voice verification for enhanced security. These advancements aim for a 99% uptime on voice features through cloud-based redundancy, ensuring a smoother experience.